Hello, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, this is Shayantani and today's video is about organization. I am going to organize my dresser which is completely mess. So let's start.
My dresser is awfully messy for obvious reason. I have an infant and toddler at home and most of the time I don't feel like cleaning, so I decided to give it a shot today. Okay, so somehow toddler's finger food ended up on my dresser. Oh, and a big torch. I was in total disbelief the kind of things I had to remove from my dresser. I didn't even know when I gathered them. I mean, seriously. So the first step is always declutter the area and then clean up. I'm using a wipe from Dollar Tree. It's an all-purpose microfiber wipe and it works pretty well for dust. They have many other options you can try. This acrylic nail polish organizer is from Ross. I'm trying to categorize the types and brands together. You can also organize by color. It's totally up to you guys. So these are some empty containers. I did some DIYs and made 3 organizers specifically for eye, lips and face makeup items, mainly brushes. I added some rice directly from my kitchen so that they stay in place and it's cheap, right? You can also do the same thing and use office pen holders instead of empty jars. I bought these holders from TJ Maxx. These magnetic containers are from IKEA. I use them to store clips, rubber bands and safety pins. I wrapped them with some pink ribbon and they look pretty feminine and part of my dresser. Okay guys, I have to admit I have too many necklaces than I need. Even though I stored many in my closet, these are some extra. I had no place to keep them in my closet, so I decided to keep them on my dresser instead. I guess I just never throw any. These drawer organizers are from Walmart. I stacked them where I had to and they are awesome. I don't necessarily like the look of it, but I will do some DIY pretty soon to make them look better. I have tagged all the drawers so it will be always easy to find stuff when I need. So this is it. My organization is done. Hope it will be like this for at least a day. Finding nail polish is so much easy now because they are in a clear organizer and easily accessible. I keep a little snack in my room just in case I feel hungry. You never know, right? Yeah, that's my toddler wandering around. Staying organized is easier than cleaning every day because busy people like us might not get time to clean every day and the mess will pile up eventually. That's a disaster. We definitely want to avoid it. If everything is nicely labeled and you know where exactly they belong, then it definitely reduces your work and you don't even have to think about it. I normally use a sticky chalk paper to label so that I can change accordingly. You can do a nicer and permanent one. It's totally up to you. Sometimes foam sticky letters are also handy when it comes to labeling. They look nice. This light is one of my best purchases. I bought them from Amazon and it's so amazing and it's super cheap too. Hope you like the little DIYs and the organization tips. Stay well and organized, guys.
Are you still there? Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so that you can stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. And also comment below because your opinion is really valuable to me. So stay tuned. I'm coming every week with my new video. Okay, see you next time. Bye.